guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do unboxing video. This is my very first unboxing video. Wow African, as you can see from the title on the box, this is Wow African. It is my first wig that I purchased from them. Okay, so we're going to go together through it together and see what we got.
Okay. Boom. Alright. So, came with this card. Says cash back. It is, you get $30 cash back if you do make a video on YouTube to show and tell their hair products. Okay. And it just has some instructions on what the video should have. Okay, that's what's on this card. And then this pamphlet. This pamphlet is has shipping instructions for returns and hair care and maintenance. Okay, gives you some information about that on this one here. Ooh, I like that it came with this nice pink satin bag. Woohoo! Open this in a second. In the box, it came with wig cap, not my color, but thank you. And then a flyaway tamer. Always can use that, and always can use a rat tail comb. Can always use another rat tail comb. You know we have a lot of these in our bathroom. So one more doesn't hurt.
So now I ordered 2 wigs, but in this video I'm only going to show you one. I'm going to do another video showing you the other one. So the first wig, and only wig I'm going to show you here right now, it is, and I have my little note over here I'm going to be looking at. Okay, it is a 360 lace wig, Yaki straight Malaysian virgin hair. Okay, the item number is TLW47. It is a 360 lace wig. Like I have said before, this is the inside. It comes with 1 comb, 2 comb, and 3 combs. It does not have a comb up at the front area, and that's good because the comb takes away from the parting space and all of that. So the specs of what I got, again, 360 lace front wig, and the lace is a medium color, and the knots are bleached. Only 2 inches of the knots are bleached, and that is like up here, as you can see, just a little bit right here, only 2 inch, and that's what they do. They don't do the whole. From what I understand, is bleaching the whole thing weakens the lace and the hair. The hair will start to fall off gradually if the whole thing is, is bleached. So this part, but I think I may or may not go in and add a little more. Maybe foundation, face powder will be enough. I'm not sure. Okay, I did not order it with the elastic band because they said elastic band, if you want that, it's an additional wait time, additional shipping time, which I didn't want to wait, that long. And besides, I know how to sew, and I have lots of elastic band myself, so I can sew it myself if I need to. The size is 21.5. I have a very small head, so I was very happy when I found that they have a 21.5 size. I think that is the smallest. So I'm hoping that this will be a perfect fit. If it is, I may not have to glue this unit down. I would love to not have to glue the unit down, so we'll see. I do see that the wig cap has a strap on its own. This one that's built into the cap right here. So as you can see, I don't want to take it off, but there it is right there. I can adjust that if I need to bring it up closer and bring that side up closer if I needed to do that. Okay, so this is how the wig is looking, and let's see what the color and see how it matches my skin. It does not really, but I'm not concerned with that because I know how to make it match, get a little closer to my skin texture. But that's what it's looking like. And the smell, I have to say, it does have a smell, chemically kind of smell to it, but I don't think it would be a problem. Once I wash it and condition, co-wash it, everything should be fine. I'll come back to now. The feel of it is exactly like what the name is. The name says it's Yaki. It feels that freshly relaxed kind of feel, you know, between needing a relaxer and I don't know. It is that does have that texture, which mimics our hair, and I like that. I like that. So, any shedding? I'm not getting any so far. None. I'm gonna put on a mannequin. So my mannequin is a size 22. And this again is 21. So I'm gonna see how it feels going, putting it on. It is snug. I had to tuck a little bit on it to get it on the mannequin. And that's a good sign for me. That means that it should fit perfectly on my head. Get it up close and see the texture. Can you see the texture? There you go. The texture is not overdone, and that's perfect. There are some hairs, Yakis, that I've ordered, come from other companies, and it has too much crimp, and I don't know how to describe it. That it doesn't look real. It doesn't look believable, and this does. Oh, did I mention the density is 130? Talking about believable, that's how I like my wigs. When I wear wigs or use hair, I like believable densities, believable hairs. I don't want it too much hair, and I don't want it too little hair either. I try to go by how my hair, the density of my natural hair is thin, and it's not a lot of hair, it's not poofy, so therefore this is more believable. If I put it on, that people will, you know, it's not like screaming, hey, I'm wearing a wig, look at me. No. So that's why I like the lower densities. So I looked for this one. Okay, so here is the look. Let's move this. There you go. It's plucked just a little bit, but it's not too much. I think if you want to pluck more, you can do that to your liking, and that's just what I'm going to do. Okay, that's what I will do. But I like that. There we go. So that's it for this wig. I'm going to put all the specs and the information about this wig down in my description below, and I will be making a video of installing this hair pretty soon, so come back and check my channel for that. Please like and subscribe to this video, to this channel, and comment below. Please let me know what you think. If you've had this unit already, or you're thinking about getting this unit, if you have any questions I can possibly answer, please let me know.